Hello, myself Bhaskar Sharma from Department of Electrical Engineering in Arya College of Engineering and IT, and I will give the video lecture on instrument transformer. In this video lecture we discuss about the different things, that is instrument transformer. Under instrument transformer we discuss about the introduction and classification. Second, current transformer. Under current transformer, we discuss about the principle of operation, construction and classification, application and specification. Third one is the potential transformer. Under potential transformer, we discuss about the principle of operation, construction, classification and application. And the last one is the conclusion. First one, we discuss about the introduction of instrument transformer, a device which help in measurement of high voltage and current, that is instrument transformer. The instrument transformer provides a low value of current and voltage to the protection system. By using low range emitter can measure high current, and the last one is the by using low range voltmeter can measure high voltage. Now discuss about the types of instrument transformer. Here, instrument transformer can be classified into two types. The first one is the current transformer and the second one is the potential transformer. Now in this slide we discuss about the current transformer. The current transformer is normally known as CT, and it is a type of step-up transformer where step-up transformer step ups the voltage and steps down the value of current. The current is step up is a known ratio that is called as current ratio. Now we discuss about the construction of current transformer. The current transformer has primary coil of more or less number of turns with fine wires which is connected in series with the transmission line. Its core is made up by of rolled steel. The secondary coil has large number of turns, so fine wires. The primary and secondary winding are insulated to each other and oil immersed for the cooling purpose. Now in this slide we discuss about the classification of current transformer. First one, on the basis of primary winding, the classified of current transformers, that is wound type and bar type, and according to secondary winding it can be classified into three types, that is ring type, stadium type and rectangular type. On the basis of working, the classification of current transformer, that is summation current transformer, core balance current transformer and interposing current transformer. Now discuss about the application of current transformer. First one, extending the range of measuring instruments such as ammeter, energy meter, kVA meter and wattmeter, etc. Second one is the differential circulating current protection system. Third one is distance protection in power transmission system. The last one is the overcurrent fault protection. Now it is the standards of current transformer. The Indian and international standard for current transformer is shown here in this table, and the manufacturing company of current transformer, that is BHEL, CZL, ABB, Jyoti, Siemens, etc. Now discuss about the testing of current transformer. There are different types of testing of current transformer. First one is the accuracy test, second one is the dielectric insulation test, third one is temperature rise test, and the fourth one is the verification of polarity test. Now discuss about the potential transformer. A device which help in measurement of voltage is commonly known as PT. This is a type of step down transformer that step down the voltage and step up the value of current. The voltage is stepped down in the known ratio that is called as voltage ratio. Now discuss about the principle of operation of potential transformer. It is always connected in parallel to the transmission line. Its secondary winding is very low with respect to the primary winding. The secondary winding is designed so that a voltage of 100 to 150 volt is delivered to the instrument load, and the line voltage is equal to voltage reading divided by voltage ratio, where voltage ratio is the number of turns in secondary divided by the number of turns in primary. Here is the basic circuit diagram of potential transformer is shown here. Now discuss about the construction of potential transformer. The core size is large and made of by steel. Primary side has large number of turns. Secondary side has only few number of turns. Secondary and primary winding are insulated to each other and oil emerges for cooling purpose. Now classification of potential transformer. Here three types of potential transformer, that is shell type, dry type and oil type. It is the standards of potential transformer. The Indian and international standards of potential transformer is shown in this table. The manufacturing companies of potential transformer, that is BHEL, CGL, ABB, Jyoti, Siemens, etc. Now discuss about the application of potential transformer. It is used for a metering purpose, for the protection of feeders, protecting the impedance of the generators, and for synchronizing the generators and feeders. Now testing of potential transformer. There are different types of tests for the potential transformer. The first one is the accuracy test, second one is dielectric insulation test, third one is temperature rise test, fourth one is verification of polarity test. Conclusion. Instrument transformer is a main component in electrical power system because we can measure the high value of voltage and current, that is balanced or unbalanced. Current transformer is used to measure of current, and the last one is the potential transformer is used to measure of voltage. Thank you.